Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video of Firewater Farm Sawmill. In today's video, we're going to be cutting up some cedar logs for a good guy that we know, Mr. Privette. He's also the same guy that owns that Peterson grinder, and if y'all haven't seen that video yet, make sure to click on the top right. Now what he needs is 12 true 1-inch boards by 6 inches wide by 10 foot long, and he also needs 40 1x6x8 boards. Now that's going to take a while to cut. I know y'all probably don't want to sit here for the next 4 to 5 hours of me cutting up these cedar logs, so what I'm going to do actually is just speed up the video. Just like that. Now real quick, I just want to stand here and say thank you to everyone that has messaged me and DM me saying that my Instagram account was hacked. Whatever you do, don't believe what it says. It's just all a bunch of a scam and they're just trying to get your account. I don't want y'all to get your account taken away just like me. So what I did actually, I just made a new one. It's called Firewater Sawmill. I will leave a link down below in the description for y'all to click on. Now where we're at right now with these logs cutting up, I think we got a few more left. So we're gonna actually stop the video right here. Hope y'all enjoy this video. And again, I'm really sorry for everyone that has gotten strange messages. Just don't click on it and don't believe it. I hope y'all will enjoy these last few logs getting cut up, and thanks for watching.